Welcome everyone. I'm going to start out by having Evelyn turn on her camera so that you know that Evelyn Lindner is with us. I need her to be here to hold my hand while we get started. Welcome everyone to our 17th annual workshop on transforming humiliation and violent conflict, which represents our 35th annual meeting of the Human Dignity and Humiliation Studies Network and our very first ever workshop on Zoom. It is a miracle that we're here together, especially during these difficult and heartbreaking times, because we know people are overloaded with responsibilities and concerns and tragedy in the world. But we think the best way we can strengthen ourselves for the work that we do in the world is by being together. And I'm just so pleased at looking at this list of wonderful people that are with us from around the world. Thank you for joining us. So welcome to all of our returning friends. Welcome to all of our new friends. We have a wonderful program planned. I'm Linda Hartling. I'm the Director of Human Dignity and Humiliation Studies. And for those of you that don't know, in our non-hierarchical community, director means I work directly with whatever needs to be done. But I have the great honor and pleasure to work in collaboration with Evelyn Lindner and some of the most amazing dignity people in the world, which is all of you. So welcome. I'm going to start out with a few thank yous, starting with Chipamong Chowdhury. I want to thank him for his beautiful poetry that he contributed just recently, this wonderful creativity. He says that dignity is a bridge between you and everything, and that is such a great way to start our workshop. Chipamong, would you just turn on your camera for a moment and wave to everybody so we can give you a reaction button, like a round of applause or a thumbs up? For those of you who have buttons, please let him know how much we appreciated his beautiful creativity. Thank you, Chipa. Now, I have 3 Zoom thank yous for all of you. Oh, I love you that you're using your reaction buttons. It's great to see. 3 Zoom thank yous. 1, thank you for turning off your cameras and microphones during our main session so we can focus on the speakers that will be speaking. We will be turning our cameras off and on. We're going to be turning them on during our small group sessions and during our group photos, and we have one coming up very soon. So be sure you've got your camera button ready. Also, thank you for minimizing your use of chat function. I have to say, I really love the greetings I saw in the chat function this morning, but we will be using the chat function for our general messages, so keep it to a minimum with conversations. However, we encourage you to send your greetings directly to our other participants privately and to the host as much as you would like. And finally, thank you for using the speaker view so you can zero in on the speakers. You can use the gallery view too, it's up to you, but the speaker view might give you the best view of whoever's contributing to the workshop. So a million thanks to all of you that are cooperating. We have a great program planned, and we hope that all of you in this workshop will gain at least one inspirational idea for taking action in the world, or one promising connection that will support your work going forward in the world. So I'm going to confess right off the bat that moving the whole workshop to the Zoomosphere has been totally terrifying. It has been like building a plane while flying it through a pandemic. And some of you might think that we should turn all of this over to our IT department, or to our administrative assistants, or to our interns. But wait, the Human Dignity Humiliation Studies Network doesn't have an IT department. It doesn't have interns. It doesn't have administrative staff. We are a do your best, do it yourself dignity community, and we're going to do our best to keep this workshop working and moving forward. And we're going to count on all of you to use your prolific patience to help encourage us to keep going, because we're so happy we can be together during this difficult time. Now, fortunately, We have the bravest workshop planners ever. I call them the bravest workshop planners on the planet. For the last 6 months, they have donated hours and hours of time to help co-create a workshop that allows lots of people to contribute, which makes our workshop so unique. And right now I'm going to ask them to turn on their cameras and introduce you to them, starting with Mara Alagic. She is a professor of the School of Education at Wichita State, Kansas, and she's going to be my virtuous twin, helping to save me from too much technology trauma throughout this workshop. So thank you so much, Mara. And then we have this incredible Digna planning team that's worked together all this time. Janet Gerson, who is an education director at the International Institute for Peace Education. Michael Britton, a psychologist and consultant who's going to be our speaker this morning. We're excited about that. Chipamang Chaudhry, he's a cyber monk, a techno monk, and a global adventurer, and you'll love all his creativity he contributes to our workshop. David Yamada, he is a professor of law at Suffolk University Law School in Boston. Georg Geckler is a mechanical engineer in Germany, and he's going to be watching over our recording function. Elaine Meese, former consultant in software businesses and other startups. We're so glad to have her contribute. Evelyn Lindner, as you know, is our great global Digna gardener. Phil Brown, he's an educational leader in social emotional learning. And Anna Strout, who is our Digna zoomographer. She is a dignity angel and activist, and she likes to be very respectful about taking pictures, but she has that magic gift for taking pictures at just the right time so we all look good and happy. She's with us, and we're so thankful for her taking on that responsibility. And she wants to remind you, if you don't want your picture taken, go ahead and turn off your camera, and she'll take pictures without it. So thank you, everyone. And please give a round of applause, a thumbs up, your best reaction buttons to the people who've really made this workshop possible. Thank you, Digna team. And all of you need to know that this is a co-created workshop, so we should thank all of our Dignalog contributors that we'll be hearing from soon. Our music, movement, and poetry contributors. We have some really magical pieces to share. And those of you who have already started on your messages to the world, we have some stunning and diverse inspirational messages.